We also have a teardown of the new S21, and this is a little bit different. Now, this wasn't done by iFixit, so we don't have their rating for how repairable it is. This is actually by a guy, PBK Reviews on YouTube, and he actually says, hey, you know what? Kind of repairable. A little bit repairable here, which is something people pay attention to, sometimes care about. Many people believe very strongly in repairing their own gadgets, or at least having the right to do so, the capability to do so, or when a manufacturer takes that into consideration, that you may want to replace a component at some point. Well, one thing will strike you here in this particular video is the plastic back, which is super easy to pop off on the S21. Now, keep in mind, this is not the Ultra model. Regular S21 model. This is the model you like. You have the current
it's a good
S20.
size.
Now, what you're going to see here is the back plate, it's no adhesive, or at least very little, because he's able to pop it off just with a little pick. It looks like, you know, it's like a guitar pick, but you use it for gadgets. It's bigger than a guitar pick. And look at that. How easy was that, Will?
Huh.
I mean, you had to be happy about that. Pops the back cover right off.
There's no glue?
Are you happy about that? No, see, I think if you look at it closely, around the edge of the panel, there's a little adhesive strip. It's more like a tape.
I see.
And that's what he's using the pick to actually loosen that up. But it's nowhere near the mess created by the adhesive that you would normally have with a glass back.
Heat it up and everything.
So what's the plastic back comeback?
It looks nice. It's very clean.
I never saw you this happy before.
I mean, I'm a big fan of the back, the S21.
Even if it's plastic?
Yeah.
Look at you.
Hey.
You accept the plastic on a premium phone. A lot of people don't.
I like the matte finish.
A lot of people get angry. Anyway, because of that and a couple of other factors, he gives it a 7.5 out of 10 for his repairability score. And it is important to note that when you get to the screen, to the display, and to the battery, those babies are glued in there.
Are they?
So that's going to be the heat gun and all the rest of it if you want to get at those components. And those ones are frequently repaired. So keep that in mind. But at least you can get the back off relatively easily.